Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our trip through Missouri on US Highway 63 North and US Highway 60 West. We began as we entered Texas County, which had an estimated population of 25,571 as of 2018. The county seat of Texas County is Houston, but I have to remind you that we are in Missouri, or the Twilight Zone, one or the other. The county was originally created in 1843 as Ashley County, but changed its name in 1845 to Texas after the Republic of Texas. The 2010 census indicated that Texas County was the center of population for the United States, and is the largest geographic county in Missouri. Here, US Highway 63 turns off to the north, and we continue west on US-60. We enter the city of Kabul, which was organized in 1882 and named for the city of Kabul, Afghanistan, but using an older English spelling of the name. The British Army had just withdrawn from Kabul at the end of the Second Anglo-Afghan War the year before. As local legend goes, one of the construction engineers who built the railroad through Kabul also worked on railroad construction in Afghanistan and thought this area of southern Texas County looked similar to the region of Kabul, Afghanistan. Prior to being called Kabul, the community was known as Cedar Bluff. It remains the only Kabul in the United States of America. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up if you enjoy our videos. We enter Wright County, which had an estimated population of 18,378 as of 2018. We almost immediately skim the edge of the city of Mountain Grove, which was located mostly in Wright County, but a small portion juts out into Texas County to the south of US-60. A post office called Mountain Grove has been in operation since 1875. The community owes its present name to a stand of trees near the original elevated town site. Mountain Grove lies at an elevation of 1,525 feet above sea level and had an estimated population of 4,690 as of 2019.
Do you want to dance?
We conclude today's video as we enter the city of Norwood. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.